Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Cooking with Hira. Today you will learn how to make crispy fried wings.
अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब के बटन को हिट कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाइए।
Here I have taken 1 kg chicken and washed it. Pour handsome amount of water so that the chicken wings should dip in it. Add 5 teaspoon vinegar, 3 teaspoon chili sauce, 2 teaspoon salt and red chili powder 2 teaspoon. Also add red chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients well and marinate it for 3 hours at least in the fridge. Next, in another bowl, add 1.5 cup of flour and 3/4 cup of corn flour in it. Also add 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt in it, and also 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon full garlic powder, and mix all the ingredients very well. Now take another bowl and break an egg in it. Next you need to take 3/4 cup of that dry mixture and pour in this egg bowl. Add 1 cup of milk initially into this mixture. Make sure the consistency of this batter should be runny. If not, then add more milk if you want. Consistency of the batter should be runny like this, as you can see. I have discarded the marinated water from the wings. Now take a wing from it and put into liquid batter so that it should be coated very well. Now put this wing into dry mixture and coat with your hand. Make sure your hand should not touch to the wing. If your hand directly touch to the wing, then it may be not coated very well. Wing is coated with the dry flour very well. See how the crumbles are shown over the wing. It should be like this, as you can see. Before you fry the wings, check the temperature of the oil. Take a piece of flour and put into the oil. If it is flowed like this, then it is ready to fry. Now put all the wings into it. Remove the excessive flour over the wings like this, as you can see me in the video. After adding the wings into the oil, wait for a while, because if you will stir it immediately, then the coating may be damaged. After 4 to 5 minutes, turn the side of all the wings from upper to down. And after 10 to 12 minutes, you will see the golden brown color over the wings, and it is cooked completely. As you can see, the very delicious and tasty crispy fried wings is ready to eat. Thanks for watching.
Like, share and subscribe. See you next stream. Goodbye.